everyone! We wanted to bring you to one of our favorite places, Santa Cruz Boardwalk. It takes us about an hour to drive there, but it's always so fun and so worth it. Oh, we love it! So here's 5 reasons why you have to visit Santa Cruz Boardwalk. Plus, we'll tell you the one game we recommend to play if you want to win a toy. Number 5. Because admission is free, and you basically pay for what you want to do. I prefer it this way instead of paying for a ticket at Disneyland, which when we went to go visit Disneyland, I didn't think it was worth it. It's just such a fun place to visit. You can spend the whole day there and not be bored. Number 4, the rides. You can ride them one by one like we do, or you can get a season pass where you can get unlimited rides all year long. Number 3, it's the best place to win toys. The Boardwalk has so many fun games, and every time we go, Bruce tries to win me a toy, and he usually does. Look at all these toys that he's won. So we've played so many different types of games, and we've learned that most of the games have some type of trick, so it's really hard to win a prize. So this is the one game that we found is the easiest for you to win a toy. So if you want to try to win a toy for your kid or to impress your date, you have to go to Skee Ball. So here are the rules of the game. You get 10 balls, and so you just want to get 200. So don't try to go for, the really high scores and try to go for the bullseye because it's really hard. Wow. Just try to throw normally and roll the ball up the ramp. You don't have to be super accurate, but it's pretty easy to just roll the ball up and try to get 200. See, Bruce seems to get the bullseye all the time, but he can get a small. And you can stop when you get a small because they're already so cute. Look, this is the bucket for the smalls. So if you win 2 smalls, then you can exchange them for a medium. Then you can exchange 2 mediums for a large, and that's how you can get bigger and bigger toys. And then so he was just really consistent in winning every single time, and sometimes he would get a better score than just winning a smalls. And then both mediums for large. So can we just get a large? Yeah. Is it the middle shelf? Yeah. Okay. So we ended up getting this, which was so cute. We love it. And look at how many toys we won from Skee Ball. Number 2, free movies at the beach. So Santa Cruz Boardwalk will have free movies on the beach. And look at all these people camped out. So you get to sit by the beach and then you get to watch a free movie. And the boardwalk is just still popping at night. The number 1 reason you have to go to Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk? The food. The food is so good there, you guys. Some of our favorite things are there where we're just oh my gosh, I'm craving that, let's go. So we'll drive to Santa Cruz Boardwalk because we want to eat the fried tater twist, the turkey leg, which is the best turkey leg I've ever had. It's better than the one at Disneyland, and the one at Great America wasn't that great. The funnel cake with ice cream is so good. The chocolate dip vanilla ice cream is so good. The fried sampler is so good, where it's fried shrimp and fried fish and garlic fries. They have Dole pineapple whip there, the same one at the Hawaii Diamond Head hike. Bruce really loves this Cajun boil that you can get at the turkey leg place. The roasted corn, people will wait in line for this roasted corn, which actually shuts down because they'll run out of corn and then they have to cook it for 20 minutes. You know it's good when people just are waiting in line for this corn to be done.
I'm going for my corn.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
What?
And then this crepe is really good. The fried artichokes are super good. We tried this giant donut. It's such a fun place to take your family, so you definitely have to go. Hope you guys enjoyed visiting the boardwalk with us. See you guys next time.